What's up, Henros? This is Papoy again, your homeboy. Ang taong bahay na madalas wala sa bahay pero kayo nasa bahay. And balitaan nga natin na meron ng new skin si Rourke. Si Liu Bei ito sa Honor of Kings. And I am so excited na talaga na i-purchase itong skin na to. And i-try itong skin na to. Kasi ito yung pinaka-first skin ni Rourke na ganito yung mukha niya, be. Ang ganda talaga ng skin na to. So, bibilhin natin siya sa halagang 888 vouchers. Tawag dito is Mask Watcher. Ano ba mga features na naragdag sa kanya? Maliban sa apakaangas talaga ng mukha ni Rourke talaga dito. It's not your typical Rourke na nakikita natin na skins talaga napaka-buff and daddy-like. So, the Dream Keeper who dispels nightmares. Tapos, cool down and hot-blooded special effects. Cool and crisp sound effects. The voice of benevolence and righteousness. Ooh. The voice of benevolence and righteousness. Well-designed lobby decorations. Unique lobby actions. Unique recall animation. Tingnan nga natin later. Exclusive avatar frame. Ayan. Oh my god. So yun yung package niya. Kung bibili natin siya for only 888. The original price is 1,680 vouchers. But nag-sale siya ngayon ng kalahati. Okay. I cannot wait to really try this skin. Ito na talaga. Pang-purchase na natin. Purchase.
Yet they illuminate the most beautiful moments in our hearts.
Lagi. Oh my god. Yung blue na mga beam effect and everything talaga. The mask effect, it's everything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ayan, as promised ni AOV, we have the Mask Watcher frame. Try natin yung recall effect.
A world without dreams is like mountains and
Recall.
rivers without boughs and forest blossom lacking so
Ano
much.
yun? Sino yung kasama niya? Nag-inuman sila. Nag-inuman sila. Ang weird naman nung ano. I'm expecting more of like animation na parang may dragon or parang swirl effect na color blue na nagmamatch dun sa or something like masky vanishing ganun na mga ano. We got this sakura tree and a drink dispenser and a radio. Tapos mag-iinuman sila. It's kinda cute. Okay, let's consider that. I'll take that. Oh yeah. Ay, that's the normal attack. Ay, ang ganda nga na normal attack niya. Nice. Nice, ang normal attack. First attack. Ay, nice. Nice yung may nagda-drop na ano. Yun. Teka lang, tanggilan natin yung cooldown. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, slow-mo. Parang ito yung ina-expect ko na recall effect niya. Di ba? Mas bagay siya pang recall effect talaga. Well, anyways. Maganda din naman yun. Ang pinagkaiba ng ni Liu Bei sa Honor of Kings at saka na Rourke to sa AOV, though magkaparehas lang yung lahat ng skills nila and everything. Yung second skill lang, kasi si Liu Bei, he can pass through walls sa second skill niya, like dash yung ganon. But si Rourke sa AOV hindi. Hindi siya nakaka-pass through sa mga walls. Ganda ng effect ng mask niya. Ayan oh. Oh yeah. Nice. And then yung third skill natin is shield. Ooh. Wow. May tatlong mask animations na nakapalibot sa kanya. Oh my god, this looks so much better than the original or other skins niya. Nice. Oh my god. Let's slow down this. Ang nice, super. So it's like gliding. Ayan o, yung parang unang ano niya, nag-glide siya. Ang ganda! Oh my god, this is so nice. Nakakainis yung passive detain niya na kapag na-attract siya. Ang bilis nung ano niya, nung regeneration ng HP. Maka-rock user talaga ko. I have been waiting for this like forever. Si Rourke yung nagpaparank up sa akin talaga, as in, ang ganda talaga, ang ganda. Ayan guys. So for only 888 vouchers, and right after siguro dito, pabalik siya ng 1688. Ayan, so there you go. Our masked rider. Ayan, our masked watcher, Rourke. Oh my god. Oh my god. So ayan, thank you for watching guys. You may follow our social media account, TikTok, Popoy and Carl. And we also have our blog page, is Popoy and Carl, also on Facebook. And we have other Facebook account, is our gaming page naman. That's PAC Gaming, PAC Gaming. That's Popoy and Carl Gaming. Napakahaba na kasi kapag Popoy and Carl Gaming. And we also have Instagram, that's Poch.Miguel. And Carl also has Instagram. Ayan, lalagay ko na lang kasi hindi ko memoryado. And we also have partner Instagram, it's Popoy and Carl. And we do also have YouTube. Promise guys, mag-active na kami sa YouTube. It's Popoy and Carl. And again, thank you for watching this Popoy, your homeboy, ang taong bahay na madalas mo sa bahay pero ngayon nasa bahay. And see you on our next video. Bye!